Hi guys, so I just wanted to jump on here. I think I'm gonna do like a glittery eyeliner today. So I have like all my base on just to make it quicker to do a more focused eye look. So some grays and blacks in the crease, like a nice cream base, and then that glitter eyeliner. Should be really pretty. So I have like my primer, my foundation, all that stuff on, my contour. So I'm just gonna quickly bake under my eyes to catch any fallout. So if you do want to do your base first, this is how you would catch all that fallout. So I'm gonna do that with just some powder. This is the Fit Me by Maybelline in translucent, and just take my beauty blender really quick, dip into that, tap it off. Today for the eyes, we're going to be using this Kat Von D palette, Monarch eyeshadow palette. It's like an older palette, but it's pretty. It'll work for today because I'm going to use all these nice matte like grays and blacks, and then I think this on the lid just to keep it neutral for our glitter liner. So I'm just going to start with this really light shade here and start blending into the crease. And then I'm gonna take this shade here. Summerfly. So the names are on the back. I'll just leave them below and just won't tell you every time. Okay. The puppies are so cute. They're sleeping on the bed. It's their afternoon nap time when mom films. And Justin's at work for a little bit. Because Don Tito is open for carry-on delivery, guys. Get your orders in. Get those tacos. So this is definitely going to be a more cool-toned look. But just slowly building that color. It's so pretty. Yeah, I wanted to skip the base today and focus on the eyes because when you put the videos on the IGTV, they have to be 15 minutes or less. I finally realized the other day because I was trying to upload it was like 17 minutes. The funny part was every time I tried to upload it, Instagram didn't tell me that. They just said it couldn't upload. So I thought it was like my service. So I just waited like a day and a half, but we figured out, I think I Googled it. So I'm gonna go in with the darker shade next to it. Guys, now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of black in the crease. I'm gonna use the E35 by Morphe because it's a little smaller and compact. Lightly tapping that, tapping off the excess, and just going right here. Just so lightly, kind of making a V out of it. And then the other eye. Going in with the E40 with no product on it, just to blend that out. If you ever feel like it's too dark, just grab some of your lighter color and go over that whole crease. Okay. I feel like that looks good. Okay, so now we just need a flat brush, any old flat brush to get that lighter color, which is Tiny Death. Okay, Tiny Death. I did hear she sold her company. And that's why I think if you go on Sephora, it just says KVD now. I think she was done with that shit. But yeah, sticking with all mattes today because we're gonna do that glitter liner. So I think this is gonna be really all my powder. Okay, I feel like we're good. Okay, on to the glitter liner. So this is just an NYX liquid crystal liner in crystal silk. Look how pretty. Okay, so we're gonna use this. A little head like that. I'm just gonna apply this like eyeliner. Okay, look how pretty. Okay, let's move on. Love that. Let's do our mascara. We're gonna use the Covergirl, the Supersizer in Very Black. Hi, Bo. You guys wanna see Bo? Hey, bud. Okay, now we're gonna do our mascara. It'll be so cute. So cute. That's my little baby. That's my little baby. Did you guys enjoy Bo's little moment when I was doing my mascara in the mirror? Okay, so my mascara is done. Let's highlight the brow bone. So we're just gonna take a little brush like this. I'm gonna wet it a little bit. Just a little bit. I'm just gonna take one of those shades from the same palette. Let's see. I'm gonna try this color. It has a little shimmer in it. So we'll see if that works out for us. So I'm also gonna put that in the inner corner. I'm just bringing it up to highlight that whole area so it's not too dark from the eyeshadow, from the crease. That's pretty. Okay, and now what we're gonna do is put the littlest bit in our inner corner of the glitter eyeliner too, because I've done this before, it's pretty. So you just wanna put like 2 little dots. And you can do this as you go. Start with a little bit, so it's not too much, and then just get your same brush and just kind of blend it a little bit. So if the brush takes off too much glitter, just keep adding until you like it. So I'm gonna add a little bit more. Our lower lash line. So starting with some of our lighter colors first. So that same one we started with, Killing Jar. I don't know, our names are funky. Okay, so just like the lightest one we started with in the crease. And then the next darkest one. If you have any fallout, swipe it off with your powder brush. Make sure that's all clean under there. Pretty. Okay, let's do our lower lash line with mascara. Okay, all done with that. Let's move on to, because I didn't do like my blush or highlight or any of that, so let's make sure that mascara is dried. Let's do the lips then. Let that mascara dry before we spray our face. So I'm gonna use Kylie Jenner's lip liner in Kylie. This right here. Just grab a mirror. Okay, and then we're gonna use like a nudie to go with like this rocker-esque look. We're gonna use a nude color called Commit, and this is a Mega Matte by Morphe. It looks like this. Pretty. Okay. Urban Decay's All Nighter. We're gonna use the Hourglass. What is this? Ambient Lighting Blush Palette. So there's 3 blushes in here, like that. And I'm going to use this last shade, Mood Exposure. Just grabbing my blush brush, the Morphe R4. Now to highlight, to go with our gold glitter, we're gonna use the Fenty Beauty in Trophy Wife. Love that name. And it looks like this. So pretty. So using my Morphe R36 to highlight. So I'm gonna spray this brush a little bit. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. I feel like this was super cute, like a little rocker chic vibes with the glitter eyeliner. And I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Let me know if you'd like to see anything specific. Okay, bye.